All right, number 4, function that's a little different, something we're not necessarily too familiar with. So let's take a look at a graph to see and help us figure out if it's continuous and differentiable. So here's the graph of the function. And you can see right here at x equals -2, it looks like it's not differentiable. Right? It comes to kind of a sharp turn, and that means the left-hand derivative is not equal to the right-hand derivative, which means it can't be differentiable. But we're being asked to check for the mean value theorem from -1 to 6. So on that interval, it's okay. It's continuous. It's differentiable. There's nothing on that interval that's going to make this undefined. There are no points there that are sharp turn or vertical tangent line. So we can go ahead and follow through with the mean value theorem for this one. So derivative for this one, we have 2/3 times x plus 2 to the -1/3 times derivative of the inside is just 1. So we can kind of leave it that way. Equals f of 6 minus f of -1 all over 6 minus -1. Well, on the left, we can rewrite this a little bit. 2 over 3 times the cube root of x plus 2, whoops, equals, if we do f of 6, that would give us 8 to the 2/3. Remember, all that means really is taking the cube root of 8 and squaring it. Right? The bottom one is a root, top one is an exponent. So cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared gives us 4. F of -1, -1 plus 2, we get -1 to the 2/3. So cube root of -1 squared. Well, cube root of -1 would just be -1, and -1 squared is +1. So we have 2 over 3 times the cube root of x plus 2 equals 3 over 7. Need to try and solve here. So, kind of get rid of these fractions, I would go ahead and cross multiply. So 9 times cube root of x plus 2 equals 14. We can divide both sides by 9. And in order to get rid of this cube root, we're going to cube both sides. So 14/9 cubed. Make sure you have parentheses around that. 14 divided by 9 to the third. And then we're going to subtract 2 from that. So let's go ahead and make that. I don't know how pretty that fraction is going to look. Not so pretty. So let's go ahead and just round it to 3 decimal places, 3.76. And we're subtracting 2, so x is approximately 1.76. And that does fall within our interval.